let's go, bro. Portable indicator. Okay, full right, we are going left. Okay, so today we will start for the keep coming, looking the back. We will start for Bilhassa road assessment. Okay, last stop. Super. I hope you didn't forget. Turning position, so no need to indicate. Okay, just leave the brake, don't push too much, keep going. Yes, good job. Slow down smoothly. Okay, टिपदा से उचित करेगा बेटी पदा मत मिसका लोगो ओ सो ओवर कलर वालेकुम टिपदा कैसे हो? हाँ, क्यों, क्या हो गया? हाँ हाँ बोल, हाँ बोलो बोलो, क्या हुआ है? किसको? हाँ हाँ, नहीं तारिक भाई ऐसा नहीं तारिक भाई ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। तारिक भाई को मेरे को मालूम है ना, नहीं ऐसा नहीं, वो मेरे को मालूम है। हाँ वो उठाएगा तो मेरे को पहले बोलेगा उस्ताद आप भी आ जाओ। हाँ वो ऐसे लेके करेगा तो मेरे को भी बोलेगा उस्ताद आप भी आ जाओ। हाँ और सुनाओ, बोलो। अच्छा बोलो, मिस कॉल आया था, खैरियत था ना? वैसे किया था। चलो सही है, ठीक है। मैं एक काम, मैं उधर ही बिलासम में आ रहा हूँ, ठीक है? ओके ओके। Left indicator, look on the left side. Yes, go. You are in the left line, you enter in left line. Okay, keep going smoothly. Right indicator from here before the exit. Okay, so also go exit on the left line. When your car is straight, okay, right indicator, look mirror, side mirror, check shoulder. Yes, smoothly and slightly. Don't be like this, okay? Just smoothly, like bring the car, no problem. This is a big tanker. Left line change, left indicator, check shoulder mirror. Yes, slow, keep distance. Okay, bas. How much is the distance? Unless you can see his tire.
Okay, sir.
You go. Right indicator. Look middle mirror, side mirror, check shoulder and come. Smoothly, okay? Again, right line change. Unless you are not going down from the breaker, don't give accelerator too much, okay? Okay, come smoothly. Little bit control on the brake. Don't push too much, okay? Little bit control on the brake. Okay, good job, well done. Yes, go. Keep going straight, okay? Okay, we'll go roundabout straight, okay?
Yes, sir.
So stay on the right track, no indicator now. Yes, come this line. Okay, slow. In the turning position, don't give accelerator too much. Right indicator now. Right indicator, right.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, leave the accelerator. Don't give accelerator. Okay, just lose it. Okay. Reduce your speed whenever you turning the car. So reduce your speed. Okay. Left indicator, line change. Who will check the shoulder mirror? No, you didn't see. No, you didn't see. I told you always check the shoulder and mirror. Like whenever you give the indicator, first middle mirror, second side mirror, third shoulder, and again a little bit focus on the mirror and keep going again. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and fourth again, and go smoothly. No brake, please, no brake. If you need it, okay, that time you push brake. Now we will go roundabout left. Left indicator, like middle mirror, side mirror, shoulder. Yes, go. Not that much late because you will reach to the roundabout. Why you will not change the line? No, you have to change the line. Go, look there. There is nothing. Whenever you go roundabout left, U-turn or whatsoever, okay? Focus from far away to the left side, okay? If any car is coming to you or no, give right indicator now. Excuse me. Right indicator and right line change. No, before the zigzag you have to change line. There is a zigzag line. You cannot change the line on zigzag, okay?
Okay, sir.
When you cross, okay, now give right indicator, middle mirror, right mirror, shoulder, and again, yes, come. I told you don't do like this steering. Just you are holding like this, a little bit, only 1/2 inch. Just do like this, your car will be automatically here. So you catch the fish or no?
No,
How many fish you catch?
no happy.
Really?
Yeah, we came there on the 6:30.
Yeah, but your wife, she said she catch like 1 or 2 pieces.
Yeah, small.
Small, huh? At least it's better than to be waste the time on the car or somewhere. So it's nice. of time pass. We'll go straight, okay? Look to the left side. Is free? Okay, you have to free. You go, you just go. Yes. Stay on the middle. You was in the middle. Stay on the middle. Right indicator. Good job. Okay. If your car is out of control, leave the accelerator always. Don't push brake, okay? Keep going. Double indicator. Go.
That's it.
No, just go. I will tell you. I will give you the instruction, okay?
Check.
Right line change. Yes, good job. Close indicator now. Now go again the right indicator, follow this car. Go signal free right. For the free right, you have to come in the filter. That's called filter, okay?
Okay, sir.
You enter in this filter and keep your car on the right side. Look there. So look, now don't get close to him because there is a pedestal.
Oh,
If you stop on the pedestal, there is no benefit. Yeah, go.
okay.
Keep looking. Keep on the right side. Keep on the right side. Look there. There is nothing. Go. Very good, Shabash. Super. Okay. Left indicator, line change, check mirror, shoulder. Yeah, go. Yes. Very good. Super. U-turn. Stop. Go. Stop is compulsory because there is a stop board and white line, solid line, okay?
Yes, sir.
Stop line. Make straight, then give accelerator. In this kind of situation, give double indicator, okay? And wait for the, yes, go. Wait for the move, okay? Parking, bro. Come right, come right, come right, come right, come right, come right, come right. More. Look in the right mirror. There you will see the parking T. You see the parking T?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Okay. When you see the parking T, that's stop it. Yeah, the handbrake parking. Handbrake parking. This is compulsory. Okay. Whenever you come in any parking, always handbrake parking. Yeah, go. Double indicate first. Put reverse. Okay, and keep coming. Okay. Keep watching in the back. Keep watching in the back. Yeah, the start turning. Your half of car is go out. Yes. Bus stop. We will be exactly on the road. Go right, huh? Go right, go. Parking. Try to do it by yourself, Pare. Full right. Look, which parking you wanna go? Tell me. Wait, stop. Push brake. Which parking you wanna go? Why this not? This one, why not? No. I told you, if you want to come to the parking, try to take it full. Select the parking for yourself. So at one time, you just go. like full right and go inside. Okay,
Okay.
not side like this that you cross in the 45 degree and you slowly enter here and then park there. No, this is filter only to go out for using. Okay, not to be used when you are going inside.
Okay. Okay.
You got my point?
Okay.
Okay, in case now no problem, you can just park come here. Okay, but for the next time try to do it. Brake, bas. Now go more when this you see the footpath. Okay, down of your mirror, go a little bit more, bas, stop, that's it. Clear, 100 parking. Okay, go left now. This is which parking? This is which parking? No, say okay. What is the name of this parking?
The
90 degree.
90 degree. Yeah.
Okay, if you want to go to the 90 degree to the left, okay, how you will go?
To the left.
Yeah, where's your left?
Yeah.
Okay, how you will? Yes,
Turn
good
right.
job.
Turn right.
Okay, don't bring your hand in the steering like this. No, just from upside like this. Okay, yeah, keep coming, keep watching 360, like middle mirror, side mirror, in the back, everything. Okay, because from any side can be someone, you know. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Don't worry. He's so far. He's so far. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Bas. Okay. Now left indicator. Check shoulder and go. Check shoulder. Go. Go right. Slightly come, slightly. Okay, don't be touch the yellow line. Okay, slightly slow down and slowly make straight. Good job. Unless you are not crossing the breaker, don't give accelerator too much. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Left down. Wait. Go. Go. Don't turn too much. Don't turn too much. Slowly. Make straight. Yes, good job. Slow. Today is your second day or
Second day.
second day, right? How you feel improvement from the first time till now? Like, what is the difference before the first day or this today's second day? Like, did you feel any change, like improvement?
Yeah. I have little improvement.
Okay, right indicator you put it and keep coming close to the left side because the right side is for the parking. Okay, now left indicator when you enter in the roundabout, so then left indicator. Okay, keep coming and go out on the right side. Okay, automatically you will come on the right side. See, yeah, go now straight. Slow. Right parking. Okay, try to find the lines. Okay, for yourself. Again you are doing the same thing, right? You see, you are doing the same things.
Yeah.
Like you bring your car and you are going like this, then you will go there. No, why you didn't cut from here? I just told you before a while ago. Make straight steering. Steering straight. To the left side, one round more. Okay, put in drive. Go further more. Okay. Right indicator. Come right. Yes. No, look, don't be in rush. Don't be in rush, please. Okay, don't be in rush. Don't be in rush. Always softly and smoothly. Okay, that's it. Okay, your car is straight. Why? What happened?
Nothing.
Tell me.
Nothing. I'm
You
always
wanna-
not. I'm always not confused when 90 degree.
Okay, handbrake parking. Look, I say it handbrake and parking. What you did, parking and handbrake.
Sorry.
No, that's fine, no problem.
Maybe.
Okay, no, that's fine. Okay, we will go to the left.
Good.
How? How we will go?
Half of the car.
Not half of the car. We will go to the left. So this is 90 degree. Same method, full right from the same place.
Left, right. I forgot now what is right and left. Sorry.
Okay, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Okay, now next time, if I say to you, so at least now you will just look your hand and you will guess it. Okay. Okay, we will go now left. How will go?
Left. Full right.
Yes, but in this parking you cannot full right. Why? Because there is a filter is very small. Okay, like check it there. You cannot straight your car in the filter. Am I right?
Yes. There.
Make down the glass. Marco Zeja arbabon badi uwini. Arbabon badi uwini makawa.
Assalamu alaikum.
Aga
How are you? Fine.
YouTube the पर recording शुरू से पसे wane जगह से.
Oh, sorry yaar. Sir,
चलो,
हमारे तबीयत से था, मिजाज से था, रोग ये. मुझे हमारा यार नहीं चलता कोई जगह से.
देखो जाओ मैंने काट के बगा मशा. सर
हाँ,
चला.
काट का सा.
सर.
रिश्ता ही काट.
Ah, wala riska kat ko. Salat. Waya kana khair da.
चाइना मियाँ गड़ाप सारा न दकड़ा.
ورور دا خپل کورینای جګر سره ډاک ته پوښله.
عزت مان سے تو سے.
او کبه کا
دا جو موږ اخیری وکړو. پکې څه ډول مشوره وتی.
خیال کو کدر دا بم بیک پدې ته ویل لکه ورغونی مشوره مې وکړه. خیال کوار بوبونو سره دی او دوی په مخ کې مو سره خاص مې لوي جامه.
ها.
زه دوی تربور کې ځګنه.
مو ته پوښ پاته دو په ویګا نه بل ویګا چې ویلوړو پوښ هغه ته د تخیر برته وي چې دا داسې.
دا مو ترور زوای ده خلصمانه مترکی دي.
هغه دښمنه ته ماما سره کې.
تر مې ده سپلور رور مې ده. سکات تر مې
تر
ده.
ده.
ها.
هغه چې دا تخیر پیدا ته تربور زوای شه.
دا مې تر زوای مې ده.
اچھا.
وښه.
هغه چې دا سوي موږ ارباب صاحب هغه ته وښه کېږي.
او زه وښه کېږم.
ها.
زه وښه کېږم مو ترور زوای خدا خور مې دوی خلنم بود دي. دوی منه. ور منه.
او څو کلیشې میاس کې شتا کا سم.
یاره کلیشز نشته دا خو بهر حال دا خو کاروبار ده کنه او سیموجه مارکیټ ډېر خصو مارکیټ ته بده غلی حاضر سره
اچھا.
خیال کوا زه پرويز ته خاين چې دوی په مخ کې مسلمان مې لوي جو زه په سپینیا ته سره چلے جو دوی وای چې دا خو موږ نه ایسوس خرو پي
چې کله وای مړ خدای دا نه وږي امو کا دا خدای نه رولې به کوشي
ورغونی مشوره مې کړې دوی په مخ کې
څا درشتا
وښله مې
بل کاس ته دا رسوم با
سعید بغه سعید
تو څه ته مقام ته نه ورسېد زه ډېر څنګه ډارې جو هو صفه خبرای
ډور په چار ویجه دې وښلا
بس نن به پته ثبوت به پته لګی په منډه پر
کله بس مسکال کوا خیر نمبر تصویر او بس دا ہمارے مودا پتہ گئے دروازے میں صحیح لاو کی دیا اوکے یلا څه خدمات وی آرډر کوای شي صحیح د خیال کو څوک دی ون صحیح ته یلا ډبل انډیکیټر یلا come back keep coming back. Okay, look why I told you before that if the road is far, okay, from the parking, because if you full right you cannot be exactly in the filter here, you know. So what is the procedure? Little bit come back. How much is little bit come? Usually the instructor they said come back little bit, okay, but you should know how much come back. When you see this yellow line,
Yes, sir.
is height down of the mirror, your side mirror. This yellow line This is the method I'm telling you. This is only for this parking. If you can see in the video, I will send you the link. Okay, this is only flag parking. This is a major sign. Okay, only this flag parking. When you go to the left, okay, when you go to the left, so little bit come back. How much little bit come back? When the yellow line exactly height down of the side mirror. Yes, the yellow line, it's considered to footpath, considered to the parking block. When it's hide from that side mirror downside, okay, when it's hide you cannot see, you think it's hide now, then full right, keep coming and full right, keep watching in the back, keep watching in the back, keep coming, keep coming. See, that's so easy. Only you need to put in your mind, that's it. Save it, huh? Keep going straight. Give accelerator. Give accelerator. Very good. Go, go. Go. हेलो हाँ राजन गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग
कैसे
बस बढ़िया ठीक ठाक तुम सुनाओ की हाल चाल है
बस बढ़िया ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ
हैं
ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ
कल ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ
ਆਈ ਹੈ
ਮੁੰਡਾ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗਾ ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ
ਹਾਂ
ਕੱਲ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗਾ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਕਿਹਦਾ
ਮੇਰਾ ਹੀ।
अच्छा चल ठीक है मुंडा ही होना चाहिए कुड़ी नहीं होनी चाहिए
ਨਹੀਂ ਭਾਜੀ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ
हैं
ਦੋਨੋਂ ਹੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ
अच्छा
ਹਾਂ
go straight okay stay on the right track okay
ਹੈ ਟਾਈਮ ਅੱਜ
एक मिनट है होल्ड कर जरा stay on the right track
ਦੱਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ
वेट कर होल्ड कर कल बंद कर राइट इंडिकेटर नाउ yes good job come straight now give accelerator okay good job अच्छा हाँ हेलो
ਹਲੋ ਹਾਂਜੀ
हाँ टाइम मिल जाएगा लेकिन पिछले टाइम मिलेगा
ਕਿਧਰ
शायद 4 बजे 5 बजे कोशिश करूँगा मैं
ਰਾਤ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ
हाँ कोशिश करूँगा
ਓਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਟਰਾਈ ਹੈ
लेकिन ते तू हुण सुता पे उठे हैं ते तैनूं हुण याद आया
ਉਹ ਭਾਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਅੱਜ ਚੈੱਕ ਕੀਤਾ ਪਿਆ
नहीं ते तैनूं हुण याद आना सी हैं
ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਆ ਜਾਇਓ
चल पहले कोशिश करूँगा मैं
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ओके हो गया
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ
so smoothly. Right indicator now. Come. Each 10-second bro, watching the mirrors, okay? Left, right, left. Your head should be moving, you know, not only to be keep straight. Stay on the right track. Come to the right track. Yes, right indicator. Okay, come to the right side. Yes, yes, good. Come more right, more right. Yes, hold it here. Good job, well done.
Before in Algil.
Huh?
In Algil,
Hmm.
before I bring the car because I'm a night shift, but
Okay.
I go at the back prison,
Okay.
so no police.
Ah, you drive the car there.
Yeah, no prison.
But try,
Because night shift.
try to don't drive. It.
Yeah,
Just
now I don't
just-
drive na. My wife buy me at ATV.
what ATV?
This motor for 4 wheels motor.
Yeah, she buy it for you. She already buy or she will buy?
She already buy na.
Ah,
That's my service now.
Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations.
Yeah. When you say na, don't bring the car.
Ah,
She immediately buy me a car.
really? Go straight, go straight.
Immediately buy the ATV. The second hand.
Double indicate a little bit. Go. In case this kind of situation, just for a while, just for 1 second, just put double indicator. Left parking. I need you to be exactly in one parking go, okay? Yes, full left, yes. Yes, good job. Slowly, slowly make it straight. Yes, super. Make straight. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Bas, that's it. You see? You just try, you know?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 100 parking. Unless we are not try, we cannot do it. Okay, go right, huh? Double indicator first, double indicator. Okay, no. Yes, handbrake. Yes, go. Now, usually from the 90, we take it full right and then we go to the left side, right? Excuse me. Okay. If you will go to the right, you will take it full left, but not from the same place. The place is changed. Keep coming straight unless your car is half up in the road. Here go. Keep watching 360, left, right, middle mirror, left, right, middle mirror. By physically you look like this. Yes, go. Middle mirror also look. Go. There is no car. Keep coming. Keep coming. Wait. The car is coming. Little bit wait. Focus on the right track because this right track will become first. Okay. Yellow. Keep coming. Look in the middle mirror. Keep coming. Yellow. Start full left. Yes. Keep moving your car also. Look middle mirror. Look left mirror. Now look in the right mirror. Keep watching. Like keep moving your head. See exactly on the rack. Put in drive mode. Okay. Just go fluently. No, don't stop at the same moment. Just little bit move your car minimum 100 meters, then you stop the navigator. Okay, go fast. Check where is the yellow line is brake. That's the mean. See, go. Straight. Right line change. I stop it for you from these things. Go on right, more right. Yes. Next stretch. Right indicator. Right parking. Don't look. Don't be turned full quickly right. That doesn't mean that if I tell you to full right, okay. Depend on the parking, You got my point, right?
Okay, sir.
Next straight. Go more. Bas, that's it. 100 parking. Okay, go left. Jump indicator. No, reverse. Coming down. Take it full right. Coming back. Shoulder and go. Go right. Your wife, where she will be wait for you? Where she is in marriage, she will wait?
I will get.
We will get in touch when we go out from here.
Yeah.
Stop like this. Go. Go fast. Go right. fast. Go fast. Yes, good job. Left indicator. We will go left from the same line. From the same line. From the same line. We will go left from the same line.
Oh.
Yes. Always go left from second line, okay?
Okay.
Count from left side 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, let go. Stay on line. Okay, stay in line. Stay in the line. Yes. Right indicator, right line change. Where is the right indicator? Even I put it mark for you in your hand, but still you are not following, yeah? Parking. In one slot enter, okay? In the second slot, make a straight wait, right, look right mirror, your car is straight, that's it. Your car is straight, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what you will do? Handbrake.
And brake. Right.
Okay. Yes. This is which parking? This is which parking?
Parking. This one. Parallel.
Parallel. Okay. Okay. Go. Go. Go right, huh? Go right. Here, right here. Don't touch the parking line. Don't touch the parking line, okay? Don't touch the parking line. Go left. Go. Go straight. Parking. Okay, look in the mirror. Bus. Go. Next straight.
Assalamualaikum Ustaz Isyam Al-Tahri. Telepon Ustaz juga satu kanan. Ustaz juga sama ada juga. Sama-sama Ustaz saya. Gila Ustaz. Jarak yang masih macam tidak faham.
Go. Go.
Tidak sama kira kan. Ini kita sudah faham kalau mati bisa dia puasa. Saya.
Go. Go. Right indicator. Make straight. Right line change. Don't push brake. Don't push brake. Keep coming. Shoulder. Because you are only looking in the mirror. What is the benefit only of a mirror? Always check the shoulder also. Yeah, the U-turn, roundabout U-turn. Don't push brake. Change line. Check shoulder. Middle mirror. No, nothing you check. I even explain you everything. car, just go. Very good, super. No, actually you U-turn. U-turn, bro, U-turn. This is U-turn. Right indicator लगाओ. Go. That's called U-turn. Like complete round is U-turn, okay? Right line change. Parking. Fast. Go. Go. Left line change. Go. उसै सँगै चल्दै U-turn. टिपु दासले उता किन आउँदैन U-turn. उसैले बेउ बासे. डबल 300 बजे दा. बांधे 8:45 बांधे राइट निकट 8:15 बांधे हाँ राइट लाइन चेंज चेक मिडल मिरर साइड मिरर शोल्डर ज़ाखिर ज़ मालूमात उसको मदरसे लगे ज़रा और तो कद सर तालीम और कादा बलता टिप दास्ता चिसिंग दे रोज़ी बदे बमज़ान सर उचट की हुई है उसे गो राउंड अबाउट लेफ्ट line change. So better to him sila. Yeah, go. Your wife, she's catching the fishing or just only she's sitting waiting for you? Huh? Go.
It's okay, no problem.
No, she's only waiting for you, right?
Oh, yeah.
So let me call her if she can come here. Is it okay for her?
What's that?
Yeah, just go left. Now right indicator. Look here like this for safety purpose, okay? It will be good impression on him. So go fast. Hello? Yes, my friend. Are you there free or just like you are busy there? So you are not catching the fishing, right? No. Okay, so do one thing. Can you give me a favor? Come to the Bilhassa. Yeah. From here you will directly go out. Oh, okay. Just come, no problem. Okay. When you go down from the Jalfar bridge, just give me a call where I am. I will tell you. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. She's coming here. Keep going straight. Okay. Left me give the line change. U-turn. Yes, keep left indicator.
When text when testing in Melasa, even your slow, it's okay.
Hmm?
Even your
What do you mean?
riding slow, it's okay.
No, bro. You have to go like properly, you know, like a driver. Go on the third line, okay? And make straight. Yes, good job. Like the way right now you are learning, right? Same like this.
It's like normal driving in Melasa.
It's normal, but not normal. Like what they required, you have to just listen to them, okay? Anji, hello. Good morning, Baji. की हाल चाल है? Okay, because be ready. I'm coming now. Parking, and we will book the date. Okay, parking. Okay, bro. Stop. Handbrake parking. Go. Check shoulder in the back. Yes, check shoulder. Yes, like this. Okay, let's go. Usually, you know what happens when you're coming here to the roundabout. Okay, you see there's a two zigzag line. One is left side, one is right side. Okay, this here they will, when you reach near, they will tell you go roundabout left line change. So be careful. You see this zigzag?
Yeah.
You see? Okay, don't cross the line on zigzag, but they will push you. They will try to ask you that okay, change the line or go roundabout left or go roundabout U-turn. But listen to them, follow them, but avoid from the zigzag. Okay, roundabout left, go roundabout left. Don't push brake, bro. While you're changing the line, don't ever without any reason pushing brake. No, unnecessary braking. They don't left negator. 1, 2, 3, go. And when you keep coming, okay, this is straight, okay, and right negator from here, right negator. This is the very small hidden exit, okay. Mostly people, they don't know this one. They get confused and they go back again there. Go right. Parking, right negator. Make straight. Bas, that's it. Handbrake parking. Did you understand or not?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What do you understand?
So this one.
It's very hidden
hidden.
exit, okay?
Yeah.
Usually people, they don't see it and then they get confused, and because of confusion they go back again there. So be careful over this, okay?
Valencia Road.
Yeah. Okay? Great. Okay, go. Now keep coming. When your half car is go out, then full right. Keep come, full right now. Your left side mirror will be, you see this corner? Exactly, you see the middle of the car, you see the corner, footpath corner? This corner, you see this corner?
Yes.
When your left side mirror is equal, when you are coming back, when your left side mirror is equal to this corner, okay? Then full right. So your car will be exactly like this in the track, you see? Okay, make straight. Put in drive and go front. Go straight. You cannot enter there, you cannot enter here, okay? Just go straight. Go. Okay, come here, right. Stop. Stop. Please stop line. Please stop line. Yes. Come right. Come right. There must be stop. Okay. Go right. Go right. Go right. Go right. Go right. Go right. Right. Stop. Okay. Go. Go right. Ustad ji, داسې کارو که چې دی وباسه صحیح شوه گو سټاپ دی وباسه او دی ډراپ کا او ته داسې وکړه چې بسې تر اوچت کا چې کله واپسې کې راځې زه به منیر ته کال وکړم اپوزیټ ته به ته راشي بیا بسې داسې مر ورته وری او منیر به هم ځان سره یوسئ دی اوس وباسه دی ډراپ کا او ډایرکټ به بسې ته ریډي ناستې ځکه چې هغې نایټ شفټ کړی دی او وایي زه وده کېږم نه ځکه وده شوم به زه وده ومه گو بس ریډي ناست دی بس څنګه داسې دا هغه ته نږدې شي مینه درته زه به رنګ وکړم چې راکوز شي بیا برج لاندې راشي ته به دې ډراپ کا ټیپو داسې رقمو سره ډراپ کا ډایرکټ به وروځه صحیح ده اوکې बासित अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्या हाल है ठीक हो गुड मॉर्निंग बासित उस्ताद ही तो निकलने लगा है बस हाँ ठीक है वेट कर ले थोड़ा तो निकलने लगा बिल हासा के अंदर ही उस्ताद गो स्ट्रेट Simple go right, you just slow down, look middle mirror before pushing brake, look in the middle mirror, before pushing brake, look in the middle mirror and look on the right shoulder like this. If there is no any car, just keep coming. You will look to the right side for safety purpose, okay? You no need to be stopped, but for the safety purpose, look on the right side. Stop your car on the right position like this, so you will be prepared whenever you have chance. Stop like this, okay, yellow come up to the right track, okay, go straight, good job. Straight, okay. Go. Each 10 seconds keep watching the mirrors. Slow. Keep going, okay? Right, yes, go next right, parking, bus, go. always is for safety purpose. Go fast. Look, here is 2 line, right? But when you enter here, now is 3 line. 1, 2, 3. So usually go roundabout left. Go roundabout left. So see, if I said go roundabout left, usually people they don't see the 3rd line. They come in the 2nd line. Okay. You should be just choose the left line. Okay. The inner line. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Go roundabout left. Look in the left side. Go. Go. He's so far. Go. Very good. You have a chance. Don't push brake. Okay. Right indicator. Right line change. Check middle mirror, side mirror, shoulder. Yes. Yes. Come. Double indicator. Double indicator. Double indicator, brother. I'm keep saying double indicator and you're putting left indicator. Go. Don't only watch straight. Look on when you are coming near to the speed breaker. Look on the right, left from both sides. Is anyone is waiting for you or no? Look from far away. When you see that there's a speed breaker, speed hump, just look from far away. Left line change. See, you change very late, very. Now this is speed breaker. Look from far away. There is no one. Smoothly go. Close the indicator. I said left line change, but you just totally confused and you doing like this and then suddenly you do like this. No, smoothly, softly. Be humble, always. U-turn. Left indicator. Look on the left side. There is no car. Don't push too much brake. Okay, don't push too much brake. See, I'm avoiding you to don't push too much brake, and you are against. You are keep pushing. U-turn, okay? Keep going. Right indicator now. Okay, look here like this. Okay, go to the last line. Come. Slightly, okay? Make straight, right indicator, middle mirror, within moment, quickly come. Within moment you have to do it everything, okay?
Yes, sir.
Like not to be delayed too much, like right indicator, middle mirror, like this and come. You reach Po? Which round the? You go down from the bridge already, huh? So did you take the left from the bridge? Yeah, roundabout left, and then there is a boat roundabout, right? Okay, when you go straight from the boat roundabout, come. You know Bilhassa, right? Yeah. Okay, come to the mosque of the Bilhassa. Huh? Just. Okay, in the front of Bilhassa. Oh, right indicator. Oh, bye. Come.
He knows that one.
Huh?
He knows Bilhassa. He will use Google.
Really?
Google Map.
Smart, huh? Right line change. Yes, do like this. Yes, come. Go straight. Sometimes they said go right. So it doesn't mean, you see the no entry sign? Doesn't mean that you go right from here. Just check where is the valid right for you, okay? Allowed right for you. Go right this one. Slowly. No need to be stopped. Just only for safety purpose, look like this. Yes, don't need to be stopped. Yes, like this, go. Yes, good job.
That one.
Yes.
I'm confused 9. Like this. You know already when you are driving.
Yeah.
Only side mirror.
Okay, go straight, come right. Go straight. Make straight. Left indicator. Yes. Yes, from here go for left. Yes. Wait, let him go. No problem. Okay. Come straight and put that in here. No need to be rushed, okay? Just smoothly. Bas, straight. So, Pare,
Thank you.
how was your experience today?
Good.
What is the difference between before and now? Is any feel
No,
changes?
yeah.
Is any improvement?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Huh? I hope the next third time you will be.
Yeah.
Learn
I will
more.
just confused with this.
You have
Here,
weakness.
Here.
You have weakness on shoulder.
Yeah.
The most important thing. The second weakness, you have the steering control. Like when you change the line, you do like this. You do like this. No, because I see whenever you change the line, for the changing line, whenever you see the shoulder, you get nervous, and you watching the shoulder is everything very late. This is my student. This one.
Okay. Yeah, very late now.
Yeah, he have test today. हाँ जी, आप साथ पूरा एक ग्रुप है। ये तुम इसको पास करने के लिए लेके आए? इसको वास्ता करने के लिए जा रहे सर?
उधर जाके पूछेगा क्या हो गया इसने पूछना
हाँ, पूरा ग्रुप आया, उधर पकड़ो अंदर जाके। सही, चलो जाओ, बेस्ट ऑफ लक, जाओ इंशाल्लाह पास हो जाएगा। जाओ, बात सुनो, किसने में टेस्ट आपका?
9:15
अभी क्या टाइम हुआ है?
48
ये पकड़ो, जाओ अभी खा लो। भले एक काम करो, पीछे पानी देखो, पानी तो नहीं पड़ा हुआ, चेक करो। उधर थोड़ा फास्ट गाड़ी चलाओ, थोड़ा तेज चलाओ। स्लो चलाएगा कोई फायदा नहीं है, ठीक है? हेलो,